This is Tier 3, Lesson 2, Graphing Polynomials. So we've been graphing polynomials by plugging in values, but now we're going to use our calculator to do it. Then we're going to find the extrema. This is a new word. The extrema means maximum or minimum, right? Max and min are extrema. And we're also going to find the intercepts. So I'm going to show you how to use your calculator to do that. So you're going to open a calculator to a graph page. So if you remember, we can add a page by hitting Control Dock, and we want a graph page. Then we're going to type in our graph, negative x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. Be careful that you're not still up there. Minus x squared minus 6x plus 2. So here's our graph. Now we might need to do things like double click on the window and change our window so that we could find things. I'm on the iPad, so it's a little bit easier. Sorry, I'm cheating. But what you could do again is double click on all of those values and change them to whatever you need them to be. Okay, I'm gonna move this back anyway. Then when we go to find the extrema, the maximum or minimum, so we're gonna click on menu, and we're going to analyze our graph, and we're going to start with maximums. So you see how my cursor is to the left of my maximum? I want it to be on the left of my maximum, and then I'm going to click. Then I'm going to scroll to the right and click, and there's my maximum, negative 0.581, 4.25. Now let's find our next max. Remember, menu, analyze, graph, maximum. I want it to the left of my point, and then over. I scroll it over and click. And there's my next maximum, 2.58, 4.25. Okay, that was also a max. Now let's find a minimum. So now I'm going to go to menu, analyze again, minimum. I want it to the left of my graph, and then I'm going to scroll it, click to the right, click. 1, negative 2. So now I can also use my calculator to find intercepts. I love that it labels maximum, minimum. I don't have any more maxes or mins. There's no turns, as some people call them, which isn't great notation, but whatever. And let's find, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different intercepts, or zeros is what we call them. So from here to here, and we click negative 1.140, 0.3380, and lastly, now there does not appear to be any tool for the y-intercept, so you're just going to have to estimate as best as possible 0, 2.